A woman went to the doctor's office and is seen by one of the new young doctors. After about 4 minutes in the examination room, she started screaming and ran down the hall. An older doctor stopped her and asked what the problem was, and she told him her story. After listening, he told her to sit down and relax in another room. The older doctor marched down the hallway to the back where the first doctor was and demanded, "What's the matter with you?" Mrs. Terry is 63 years old, she has 4 grown children and 7 grandchildren, and you told her she was pregnant. The new doctor continued to write on his clipboard and, without looking up, said, "Yes. But does she still have the hiccups?"